Hello, my name is Mia Jackson, and this has been a long journey. One I am quite proud of and glad to have shared with the staffingpreneurs and with Ms. D. Williams. I am the proud founder and CEO and owner of Heritage Healthcare Staffing, where we will specialize in staffing nurses, CNAs, RNs, and LPNs. I want to affect change in the healthcare industry. I've been a registered nurse for 30 years. I feel like the system was broken when I graduated. There's always been a shortage of nurses. I feel like being on the front lines, and that problem has only seemed to have worsened. That has grown from a number of factors, and the problem has only gotten worse. Staffing may not be the full answer, but it's certainly part of the answer. I was blessed to be here with this group of business owners for this past few days. And a little starstruck because Miss D just pushed me off the cliff and I'm officially launched. So I'm tired and I'm excited at the same time. This has been awesome. Miss D not only supports you from where you come to her at, she supports you from where your story started. She gets to know you and she lets you get to know her. It's total transparency here. You don't have to show up and try to be someone else. You can come here and be authentically you, learn how to truly develop your business, to learn how to build it from a solid foundation up. I came here short of a few bricks, but I'm leaving here short of a few bricks, but it's certainly not because she didn't put them down. It's because it was just so much information, there's just no way I could tote it all at one time. This has been quite an humbling experience. I said I wasn't gonna cry, but Sister Soldier's standing here looking me dead in my face. I know that she's going to be an awesome mentor to me. Her common spirit has just been steady for the last few days. Miss Sabrina's gone, but she noticed just in my presence for a couple of days, a day or two, that I wasn't feeling well. Miss Sister noticed that I was quiet. It's a family affair when you come to staffingpreneurs. Your business is blessed. She teaches you a way to market yourself that no one else can. That you are the voice and the face of your business, no matter what that business is. No matter if you are learning that business as you go, and you're educating yourself on that business as you go. She gives you the kind of support that you need to learn and be confident and know that when you are making a decision about your business, you can make an informed one, because the foundational bricks that she gives you for organizing your business, the kind of financial information she gives you, the kind of information she gives you to research and find the information that you need. You can probably get it some other places, but you're not going to get it like this. You're not going to get it as authentic as this. And I can say raw, because I don't need nobody to babysit me. I need somebody that's going to pull the bed out every now and then and say, okay, it's time to get up and quit crying. We need to get together. But I have been truly blessed here today, and I actually wish that my husband was here, and I wish that my brother was here, but it's just me, and I hope that I'm fit to get a chance to share this experience with them in just a few minutes. I don't want to cry, but thank you, Miss D. Thank you to the Staffpreneurs class that I was with, and maybe I'll see y'all in DC.